Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this typewriter effect on Figma. It's a common trend with portfolio websites, and if you've been wondering how it's done, this video will help. So let's get started. So this is the original design of the website, the completed design. Now let's create a new page and say we name it test animation. Let's copy just one of these first and paste it here. As you can see, this design has like uncompleted text in it. It's just my name, then a cursor like symbol here. How to get this effect, we'd have to redo the entire frame and then place each text one after the other in like all the frames would be here. So let's copy the entire thing. This is it. As you can see, P, the first letter started here, followed by the second letter, the third letter, the fourth, the fifth, everything. We'll go to prototype. As you can see, I already prototyped this, that's why it's showing the arrows and everything. So let's zoom in and see. This arrow is directed to the next frame, the other to the next frame, everything to the next frame. So let's delete this so I can show you how I did everything. Remove the things. To connect this frame to the next that has the first letter, would click on the frame at these arrows. You can use to link to the next frame. So we'll link this to this frame, and Figma brings down a drop down box. You click on this, go to after delay. Let's make it 100 milliseconds. 100 milliseconds. Then you do the same for every other thing. I've already done this, that's why it's showing after delay and 100 milliseconds. I've done for all of this. If we go back and preview it, you see that as it's typing out, it's also deleting and then typing back. With what we just did here, the only effect would get to be the typing out effect. But in order to get everything to like clean and type back, as you can see in the first page, the initial page I designed, I duplicated everything. Here and then put it back here. So let's do it for this new page. Okay, so we'll go back to this initial page, copy out the duplicated version here, then come back and paste it here. As you can see, it's duplicated. But if you pay close attention, the first one in the prototyping, each frame is moving to the next, moving on to the next, so as to bring out the new word that is being typed. But in this, it doesn't move to the next frame, rather it goes back to the previous frame. That's bringing out the deleting effect. So as you can see, it's almost the same thing. Let's just delete for this frame so I can redo it. Let's delete for this frame. Now there's nothing here. To create an effect, move this to the previous frame, click on after delay, make it 100 milliseconds rather, and then good to go. 100 milliseconds rather, and then good to go. You do the same thing for all of them. The same way you moved to the next frame. In this duplicated version, you move to the previous frame. Even this is moving to the previous frame. Now to get it interconnected, or to connect everything, you see that in this first page, we linked the first frames to the duplicated frame by connecting it here after delay, then making it 400 milliseconds. So just so the effect will be faster, I made it 400 milliseconds. So now we'll move to a new design page. To link this, we'll come here, move this to the duplicated frames. Figma brings this out. You click on after delay. Let's make it 400 milliseconds. Just so that it knows after it has typed all of these out, it will go back here. And you know this is linking back to this frame. So it's like deleting everything. And then when it gets here to the very first frame, it will go back again to the original frames. Then we'll make it after delay. We'll make this 100 milliseconds. Now let's preview this. Voila.